guys, welcome to the Mountain Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing a test video and review of my GoPro Mini 11. Right now you're on the cheap monopod selfie stick that I got from Walmart. I'm very curious about the audio quality. I figure the video quality is pretty good because it's 4K 60 FPS. So I heard very good things about the audio. I'm curious for myself. I've seen a couple videos online that show it, but I'm very curious to see just how much background noise it picks up. So I'm going to take you guys on a ride on the quad, and then whenever I get back, I'll do a review and talk about what I saw while editing this video. So stay tuned. Major rain and hailstorm a couple days ago, so these trails are flooded, at least somewhat. Supposed to get a pretty bad storm tonight too, tomorrow morning. See where that brings. Hope I don't kick this up. Streams rolling down to our left. I don't know if you guys were able to see that. They're on my chest mount. Frog eggs sitting there. Don't know if you can see them with the glare, but a couple hundred of them. This warm weather got them all ready to roll. It's our bottom field, bottom tree stand. It's a little flooded too, that ain't good. Now that we're here, I'm going to flip you guys over onto the tripod, and we can go from there. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm filming on a GoPro Hero 11 Mini. So that's the only thing I'm going to do it with. Consider this a review and a test video. I'm going to set up this very cheap and somewhat old, I believe this is a Tasco camera from Walmart. It was like $26. As you guys can see, I hope in the video, there's a ridiculous game trail right here, but we are down at my pond, or the family pond, I should say. And I'm gonna put this trail camera, I think, on this tree right over here. These are very high quality. If I can find certain pictures from this camera itself, or the one that I bought the same year, it was just a little bit better, I'll put up pictures. I've ran these almost exclusively, other than a couple of the high-end ones I have. I love these things. They're cheap. If they get stolen, I still get mad, but at least it was only $30 and not $130. But anybody looking to get into trail cameras, I highly recommend these. A small tree. Should be about good. Let's see what that angle looks like here. So we're testing the angle right now. It looks pretty good, really. So I'm going to leave it like that. Get it started. And maybe hide this 5.5-foot strap a little bit better. You guys, don't wrap this too tightly because it could damage the tree. I just do this very loosely. If it flaps in the wind a little bit, then it flaps in the wind a little bit. I don't know how well you're going to hear me because, again, I am just filming on that. I should probably get a wireless mic, or at least a boom mic for on top of this, but there you have it. That is the trail camera to see if we can get some ducks, deer, turkeys, whatever. But there are a ton of big deer tracks on this trail here. So you guys can tell, well, it goes the whole way across that dam, and then the whole way up that hill, over those old steps around that multiflora rose, and then it goes out into that old grown-up field over there. So there are fish in here, for those that may ask. I haven't stocked in a long time. I used to bring home 30 or 40 bluegill at a clip and throw them in there, perch. We threw in a couple small bass at one time, but I think now it's mostly sunfish, bluegills, and a lot of minnows. So also newts and things like that. But all right, guys, next time you see me, you will be on a quad and you will be riding back up with me, and I'm going to try you guys out on my head mount. So we'll see how that goes. It's on antler for a second. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, I am back from the ride, as are you guys. So, just a few things about this camera. The ease of use is absolutely second to none. The button on top, the little red circle on top, starts it and it goes straight into recording. Whatever your base settings are, that's what it'll record in, and right now I haven't touched any of the settings other than changing the beep. So it's very quiet. And then the button on the front next to the lens, it is the one that brings up the settings and the various few other things you can change, and that is it. That is the only things with this camera. You basically turn it on and go. And then as far as the video quality, I mean, it's amazing. As I stated before, it's 4K, 60 FPS, and it's in wide angle or widescreen, so, which is the way GoPro's always done it. I like it that way. Some don't, some do, but it's amazing. It is perfect. It is crystal clear. Even on the ride down, I wasn't getting the pixelated turns, and I know my head bounces back and forth whenever you guys were on my my head mount, so I'm gonna use that for future reference too. Maybe not put it on my head because I look everywhere while I ride, but and then the audio quality was amazing. I was pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I do not have a microphone on this camera, so this was all it itself, and I was amazed. As long as I was looking at the camera, and I was generally close to the camera, it picked up my voice, and it even picked up like the stream running in the background, the maybe cars running in the background whenever I recorded the intro and stuff. But it's amazing, and I don't even know if I need a microphone, because realistically where I'm at, it's going to pick up a little bit of ambient noise, maybe some wind, which I'll have to take that into account. But it was amazing. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the price is going down on this thing too, the GoPro Mini 11, that is. Not sponsored, just figured I'd do a little review video for it. But yeah, so I will catch you guys on the next video. Like and subscribe.